The coverage on this concealer is astronomical. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited to be back with you guys. I feel like I need to give a big virtual hug. It's been 2 weeks since I've been off YouTube and I'm back with like a new haircut. I colored my hair. I'm back to this vibe that just makes me feel so good. I love how weightless my head feels now and it's so easy to do my hair. I love it. But I am so excited for this video because we're gonna do a full face of using only Black-owned beauty brands. And all the revenue from this video will be donated to the Black Lives Matter movement. I'm gonna have donation links below so you guys can check those out if you wanna donate as well. I personally have donated on my side already. My husband has, my brand, Dominique Cosmetics, has as well, but I wanted to give back on my YouTube channel. Any way that I can be an ally and support the movement, I am going to do that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, how I got this spring glam. This is the most makeup that I've worn in a very long time. And this lip is making me feel like a superhero with this hair. I feel like I need to go on a date, girls' night, but obviously we're here, we can't go anywhere. We can pretend. But before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Hey guys. So ready to get in here and put some makeup on my face. You can see the stress marks on my face. It has been crazy, but I'm so excited to get into this video, and I truly mean I am very excited. I haven't done makeup in like 2-3 weeks. So let's do it, let's get into it. Some of the makeup I just got and some of the makeup I've already had, but I'm gonna just get into the face first. So the first thing I'm gonna use is this Fenty Pro Filt'r Mattifying Primer, and this is from, oh my God, I almost ripped off my nail. Why? Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so painful and there's clear jelly coming out of it. Welcome back to YouTube videos. I just ripped my nail off. Okay. So I'm gonna take the primer and just press it into my face. This is going to mattify my face and also bring some hydration. This I have never tried. This is Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. This is the shade Martinique. I've heard a lot of amazing things about this foundation, so I'm so excited to try it. And it's matching my background and my shirt. I'm trying to represent the spring summer vibes to you guys, and I feel like this definitely does that for us. So I'm gonna take some on my brush. It already feels so thick. Like, I'm obviously not gonna use all of that, I just use a little bit. We're gonna go in. This is full coverage. I'm about to look like a porcelain doll. I hope I got the right shade. Like, I have a fake tan on my body, and then my face I exfoliate so much that it always just comes off. Get it in the ears, bring it down the neck so it doesn't look so crazy. This is really full coverage, just like they said. I'm so happy with my new hair, you guys. I feel like a weight has lifted. I had it like this for like 2 years straight, and then I just started growing it out. And when I have it short like this, I feel like more myself. I mean, how can you not feel like yourself all the time? But it just makes me feel good, like I'm in my zone. Look at this, watch. You can probably cover tattoos with this. I'm about to be snatched. The amount of extra foundation is just embarrassing. Do not waste your foundation like that. You only need a little bit and it goes a long way, and I honestly need to get a damp beauty blender. I just sprayed some of the Fenty setting spray, and I'm gonna go in on top of this because it needs to be blended out a little better. So for the eyeshadow, I bought, this is actually my first Juvia's Place palette. I'm new to Juvia's Place and I'm really excited. This is very affordable. I haven't tried the eyeshadow, but I have heard really, really good things. This is what it looks like. So excited to try this. Look at these pans. These pans are large and very in charge. Wow, so you get a lot for your money, so much. So for the first shade I'm gonna use, I'm gonna take Oro. I don't know if the R is supposed to be rolled, but I'm gonna take this guy right here as my base color. I love these types of colors for transitions. So I'm just gonna pop that into my eye, all in the crease. I think this shade is kind of just melting into my eye because it matches my foundation so well. I just want to wash this color all over the crease, and I want it to be really soft. I'm gonna take the same color and go on the lower lash line. Okay, so we have a cute little base. Now I'm gonna go into another shade, which is this one from the Pat McGrath palette. It has a little bit of pink in it, and Oh, these palettes are so heavy, luxe, and just beautiful. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and go into this shade right here with the same brush and wash that straight into the outer third. And with this, I'm gonna go over that gold color that we put on earlier. I'm gonna go halfway in to the lower lash line. And then the rest of the eye, I wanna use this beautiful, beautiful peach corally shade right here. This is Manwu. I think I'm saying that right. It's called Manwu. We're gonna pick that up with a flat, kind of sort of fluffier brush. Oh, I love this color. I'm gonna take that on the inner third. Okay, the pigment is real, is really strong on this color. Wow. And then on the outer edge of the eye, right here, I'm gonna fade in Izafa, this red shade. Our eyes are gonna look really fiery. And I'm just gonna take that right in there and almost just kind of like if you're creating a little wing, like a smoky imperfect shape of a wing. Then I'm gonna take the brush that we used to apply the coral and I'm just gonna go on the edge with the clean side and soften up the red. Okay, I'm gonna take the same red color and just go right on the lower lash line, very softly, and just the outer third. And you notice I'm not putting anything on the outer third. That's on purpose because I usually flip-flop it and I'll do color on the outside. I just wanna see what it looks like when you just switch it around. Just not what we normally do, but I just wanna try it. I think it'll look good. So let's see. For the inner corner, the inner lower half, I'm gonna take this orange color and a pencil brush and just work that right on the inner third. And then for the brow bone, I actually never like to do shimmery brow bones, but today I am. I feel like I wanna do everything that I normally wouldn't do. I'm gonna try it out and flip-flop it today. There's a few beautiful colors here, but I really wanna see one of these two colors on my brow bone. Let me just figure which one do I wanna do. Ooh, that one's pretty too. Let's do this one. I'm gonna take a smaller pencil brush and take that same color I used on my brow bone and just pop it into my inner corner because it looks really, really cool and reflective. It has like an orange reflect. For my lash line, I wanna take this Fenty Foxy All Over Metallic Powder. It's a metallic powder in a big pot and I just wanna take that and use it as my liner. So I'm gonna take an angled brush, spray it a little bit. I feel like I'm missing something. I'm gonna take this plum brown tone shade and I'm gonna work that a little bit into the crease. I know I said I wasn't, but it just feels weird. So I have to put it in there, just a little bit. My lashes I'll do off camera and then I'll be back and we're gonna do the rest of the face. So I'm back and I'm ready for the rest of the face. You know what's kind of crazy? The eyeshadow that I use isn't really giving me that much fallout, which is insane. Like I just realized how many shades I used and there's no fallout. A little bit of red, but that's amazing. All right, so now I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Cream Contours in Macchiato. So I'm gonna take that to contour my nose. And actually this contour is one that I always use. Like I use it every single day. It's my current go-to. Do you use cream contour or do you use powder? I am interested, or do you do both? I rather use cream. If I'm doing more of a glam look, I definitely do a little bit of powder on top. Contour my cheekbone a little bit slimmer. So now after I contour, then I go in with my concealer. I'm gonna be using this Beauty Bakerie Insta-Bake Concealer, and this is the shade I Choose Me. I love that, so cute. The Beauty Bakerie, I feel like I need to get more stuff from them because they have the cutest branding. Like the baking, the cute names, just is everything I love. This is their 3-in-1 concealer. And I've heard great things about this as well. And I really like the point here. I've never seen an applicator like this. So I'm gonna apply that and then bring that down a little further down like that. I'm gonna take a little bit right on the corner. I love how precise this is without it being too pointy, you know? It's like a really good size applicator. So now I'm gonna work in the concealer. This is the perfect shade for my under eyes. The coverage on this concealer is astronomical, but it's really, really good. It moves easy on the skin, and I love the way, oh my God, I love the way it just smooths everything out. Wow. I am obsessed with this concealer. I'm definitely gonna pick up a darker shade to contour because that is phenomenal. I love the coverage of that. I'm gonna put on Petal Poppin from Fenty. This little guy right here. I'm gonna take my finger and just add some blush here. I have been loving the blush in this spot. It's a new spot for me because it's been kind of like on top of my under eye circle and concealer, so it's changing up my look and shape a little bit, but I don't mind it. I think it looks really cute. And just a little there. To set everything in place, I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Bakerie Flower. Oh my God, this is so cute. Better, not bitter. Translucent setting powder. To be honest, I don't buy a lot of makeup because I get sent PR. But now that I realize how much I don't have and how amazing these products are, I am just ready to buy so much more makeup. I'm so excited about makeup right now, and my love for it kind of just spiced right back up. Beauty Bakerie is just like bomb. If you haven't tried Beauty Bakerie, you have to try it. If you look at your own makeup stash, and comment below if you have very many Black-owned makeup brands. If you guys know of any other Black-owned brands, list them below for everyone to see so we can go out and try these brands. I'm gonna layer a little bit of the coral that I used on my eyes on my cheeks, but very lightly because this is really intense. So I'm just gonna take a little bit like that and kind of just stamp it right where I applied Petal Poppin. I'm gonna take my bronzer in Private Island and just set the outer perimeter of my face and also add some warmth, some more warmth to the outer perimeter. So it all just kind of flows a little easier into the body because my body is so much darker. To set everything in place, I'm gonna take the Beauty Bakerie Sweet Grace Baking Spray. Ooh, that smells really, really good. And the sprayer is so fine. That was really good. So for the lips, I'm gonna take Genevieve Matte Trans Lipstick in 041. So this is such a pretty, beautiful package. So I'm gonna pop this lip on to add a little bit of a contrast and a pop of color. I'm just drawing new lips today. We need a new shape. I haven't played with makeup in a while, okay? But I'm having a lot of fun right now. This lip color just brought my whole look to life. I feel like it definitely completes the look. At first I was going for like a springy, fresh type of look, but now I feel like it's just like a spring night out. Like I'm going on a date, girls night out, but make it spring. The only thing that I'm missing is a highlight, and from this palette, I'm gonna use this shade right here. And I'm just gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand and apply some to my nose and a little bit on my cheeks. I haven't worn a highlight in a long time, but we're gonna do it. Try not to get it on my zit. You guys see that? It is huge, it's massive, and it has its own country on my face. All right, so this is the final look. I absolutely love it. I feel like I definitely need to buy more makeup these days. I'm limited to what I get in PR, and now I'm just excited again about makeup. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed our time together. I hope you enjoyed the video. I definitely had fun sitting here with you guys playing with new makeup. I'm so inspired by the makeup that I have today, and I hope you guys are too. I have 2 videos over here on the side. If you haven't checked them out, watch them. And that's it. I love you guys so much. And before I let you go, I just wanted to remind you that you are beautiful inside and out. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.